Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your monthly love reading for the month of August 2020. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every Leo. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from this reading. If it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And I am gonna use this pattern, this spread to understand what is happening in your love life. I'm going to take four cards for your partner's feeling, thinking, and current situation. Four cards for your feeling, thinking, and situation, and two cards for mutual feeling and attentions. So let's get started, Leo. What is the Leo person's thinking and feelings towards Leo? What is the Leo person's thinking and feelings towards Leo? What is the Leo person's thinking, feelings towards Leo? So we are having Ace of Cups, Five of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, the Hermit. So what are the Leo's feelings towards this person? So what are the Leo's feelings towards this person? We are having Queen of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, the Hanged Man. So what is the mutual energy, spirits? So what is the mutual energy? Three of Cups, Page of Cups in the mutual energy. So these are your card, Leo, and I try to explain these cards for you. Let's get started with your person's feeling first. So let's talk about your person's feeling. So I feel here you are not giving love to this person anymore, Leo. What I'm getting here, this is a very strong sense, strongly, which I can see. So you are just taking back your love here, and you have a lot of loving in you. You are the Ace of Cups. You are the beautiful and warmth energy of love. So they are not having that anymore in their life. That's why they are sad about it. Definitely they are disappointed. They're feeling like that they have lost you. They really want you back uh, in their life, but I'm also sensing here they still want to work on this connection with you, with this Eight of Pentacles. They want to work on this love. They still want you in your life. I feel like they don't know how to have you back, how to have this love back in their life. We can say the Hermit as well. So in some kind of sadness, stuckness is there. They don't know what to do, how to have you back, how to build this relationship in again with you, because already messed up with this Five of Cups. What I want to say here, Leo, I feel like that this person is dwelling into the past a lot, and they are just constantly thinking about the past and past memories. They are not doing anything to fix the situation now. Still they really need to believe that they can fix this relationship with you, but still they can do something about it, and still they can transform themselves. They can really make it work here. But I feel here that it's a long process. This person will have to go through this process with this hermit mode. So currently this person is some kind of sadness and some kind of isolation. What I feel here, they are simply not so happy that they have lost you. Also it's a regret. It's a regret that this person is having. Also I feel like this person is having a lot of inner deep insecurities in them. So they don't feel comfortable in their own body, in their own self. They are definitely is kind of a cage in which this person is living, and I feel like they know that they can have this love from you. You are the love of their life. I feel like this person is having feelings, but they don't know how to deal with these feelings, how to show these feelings, because they have inner insecurities, and first they have to heal their wounds, then they can make the situation work with you. It's a kind of a challenge for this person. So Leo, let's see what is your feelings. Okay, Leo, I feel like you are currently holding back from this situation, and also you are enjoying your singlehood, your freedom, your abundance. Currently, you feel like that this person doesn't deserve your time any and doesn't deserve your attention at all. So that's why you are giving that time to yourself and to build new things in your life with this Queen of Wands energy. So this is your own energy, Leo. So you are completely in your own self. You are completely learning. I feel like this is a lesson both of you will have to learn from each other, but you have to learn that in the situation, and you have become so your own self with this Queen of Sword, and also you are currently enjoying singlehood, and maybe you are also starting something new with as well with this Three of Pentacles, and maybe you want from this person to start something new with you, but they are unable to do that because we can see that a Hanged Man as well. You feel like this person is completely holding back from you. They are not sharing their emotions and feelings with you, so that's why you are also pulling yourself back from this person and just focusing on yourself and making your own life beautiful, because you feel like that this person is not working in the right way and they are making this collaboration and making this project stuck with you. So you will have to move forward as you are realizing this. So let's see what is the mutual energies. In mutual energy we can see that we are having here this Three of Cups, and also we are having Page of Cups. So definitely you are definitely currently enjoying your own life here with this Three of Cups, collaborating with new people. But I also feel like some of you could be stuck in third party. We are having Three of Pentacles and Three of Cups. So this could be the situation. This person is stuck between two parties and they don't know what to do about you and what to do about the situation. But I also feel like this kind is definitely about you, but because you are the more time with your friends. This is a friendship card more than a love card. You are spending more time with your family, and you are giving your time to yourself and your family and your friends. And this is how this person is they currently are dreaming about you, they're thinking about you. Also could be someone who is a little bit immature. They are currently thinking and dreaming about you. What situation they are still making it stuck. So let's see what else we have for you, Leo. So let's see what else for Leo. What else for Leo? We are having the Moon, the Devil, and as an outcome we are having Knight of Pentacles. We are having here the Moon. So this is person is unable to give you some kind of clarity in this situation, and you know that, Leo, definitely you know that what you are dealing with, and you are also not so happy to see in this kind of energy. And also a sign that you will have to very careful. It could be possible someone is deceiving you and making, and this person is deceiving you. Maybe there could be someone who is doing some kind of deceitful things. But I feel like that it's a karmic bond between both of you. Lessons need to be learned here. So this person is constantly obsessing over you, thinking about you, dreaming about you, and like I was saying to you, and you feel like this person is keeping you stuck. They are not moving this situation forward. So it's kind of toxic. These two cards are the clear indicated indication that uh, it's toxic between both of you. Maybe you will have to move forward, uh, Leo. The good thing is that about this situation, that you are not gonna be alone for a long time, because I feel like that there is gonna be a lot of love offering coming in your way. So someone is definitely coming towards you. Even I clarified this Knight of Pentacle. So someone is definitely coming towards you. It could be this person, it could be a new person as well. Definitely this is a new energy. It could be a new person who coming towards you with this love offering, because I feel like you are gonna have a lot of options. You are also gonna have a this person, and also maybe you are gonna have another option. You can decide what is best for you. There is gonna be a lot of love offering. It could be one or more than two or three. So there is gonna be a love offering, but I feel like there is someone is definitely traveling towards you to offer you something. This person is just wanna be with you, so someone is definitely coming towards you. But if you are dealing with something toxic, so definitely you will have to come out of it, because with this moon I can send that. I know that you can also sense that, Leo. So let's see what else we have in your advice messages in the end, Leo. Advice messages for Leo. That's the advice messages for Leo. We are having, you can do anything you want, meditate, be yourself, keep shining with your inner light. And these are a few advice messages in the end. So these are few advice messages in the end for my Leo people. Hope this resonates with you. If it resonates with you, you can support my channel. Thank you for listening. God bless you. Bye.